Hello, my lovely English learners. My name is Niharika and welcome to the final day of your Shadowing English Speaking Challenge, Day 5. You've made it all the way here. Wow, what a journey! How are you feeling right now? I'm guessing a mix of pride, excitement, and maybe even a touch of emotion. And you know what? You absolutely should feel that way. You showed up, you spoke out, and most importantly, you didn't give up. As for me, I've truly enjoyed every single moment, teaching you, recording this podcast, and sharing this incredible experience together. So tell me, where are you listening from today? India, Vietnam, Japan, Turkey, or somewhere else around the world? Drop it in the comments. I love hearing from all of you. And what's your native language? Someday, I'd love to visit your country and maybe you could teach me a few words in your language. That would be such fun, wouldn't it? Now, let's talk about your shadowing practice. How's it going? I know that in the beginning, it might have felt a little slow or even a bit frustrating. But believe me, your brain is learning, your mouth is getting used to speaking, and your confidence is growing with every single attempt. Fluency takes time, but you're doing it. You truly can do this, and remember, I'm always here cheering you on. Have you come across any difficult words or tricky sentences along the way? Share them in the comments. I read each message and I'll do my best to help you overcome those challenges. So, are you ready for our final shadowing session? Yes. Amazing. But before we begin, I want you to make me one promise that you won't stop here. You've come such a long way, and this is just the start of something even bigger. So promise me, you'll keep going. Perfect. Now let's dive into it together. The instructions are simple. You listen first, then repeat after me. Don't rush. Pause the video whenever you need extra time. We'll go nice and slow. I'll say each sentence 3 times, and you'll see the words appear on screen with the key parts highlighted to guide you. And remember, if at any point I'm too fast, leave me a comment and I'll adjust for you. Let's begin this final practice with energy, focus, and that amazing confidence you've built over these 5 days. Let's do this together. This space is all yours, your moment to learn and grow. And hey, if you happen to miss day 1, 2, 3, or 4, don't worry at all. I've added the links right in the description for you. Each day builds on the one before it, so if you have a little extra time, go back and give them another listen. Practice really does make progress. Now, get comfortable. Grab your notebook, maybe pour yourself a warm cup of tea, and get ready to speak along with me. Day 5 of your 5-day English speaking practice challenge starts right now. Let's make this session count. Today, we'll be practicing 15 powerful sentences together. Don't worry, we'll take it one step at a time. Just focus, listen carefully, and then repeat after me. I'll say each sentence 3 times so you can really get the feel of it. Ready? Fantastic. Let's begin. I am improving my English with every word I speak. I am improving my English with every word I speak. I am improving my English with every word I speak. Wonderful. Now, sentence 2. Each time I practice, my confidence grows stronger. Each time I practice, my confidence grows stronger. Each time I practice, my confidence grows stronger. Great work. Here's the next one. My voice is powerful, and I choose to express myself clearly. My voice is powerful, and I choose to express myself clearly. My voice is powerful, and I choose to express myself clearly. Every sentence I speak brings me closer to fluency. Every sentence I speak brings me closer to fluency. Every sentence I speak brings me closer to fluency. Brilliant. Keep that energy going. My dedication is shaping me into a confident English speaker. My dedication is shaping me into a confident English speaker. My dedication is shaping me into a confident English speaker. Don't give up now. You're doing an incredible job. Remember, mistakes aren't failures, they're proof that I'm learning something new. Mistakes aren't failures, they're proof that I'm learning something new. Mistakes aren't failures, they're proof that I'm learning something new. Even on tough days, I show up for myself and keep going strong. Even on tough days, I show up for myself and keep going strong. Even on tough days, I show up for myself and keep going strong. Awesome. Let's keep the momentum going. Every time I speak, I feel myself becoming more fluent, more expressive, and more free. Each word brings me closer to confidence. So, don't hold back, speak out loud, speak boldly, and trust your own voice. Remember, every bit of effort you put in today is shaping your tomorrow. The work you're doing right now, repeating, practicing, showing up, is building the foundation for your future self, the confident English speaker you're becoming. I trust the process completely, and I want you to do the same. You are growing, you are improving, and yes, you are becoming a confident communicator. Now, let's practice the final 5 sentences together. Stay right here with me, we are almost there. I am brave for trying, even when it feels uncomfortable or scary. I am brave for trying, even when it feels uncomfortable or scary. I am brave for trying, even when it feels uncomfortable or scary. Beautiful. Let's move to the next one. My English improves every single time I open my mouth to speak. My English improves every single time I open my mouth to speak. My English improves every single time I open my mouth to speak. You're doing fantastic. Here's another one. I'm building a strong, steady foundation, one word, one sentence at a time. I'm building a strong, steady foundation, one word, one sentence at a time. I'm building a strong, steady foundation, one word, one sentence at a time. Now, say this with energy. I'm truly excited to speak in English. Every new phrase feels like a small victory. I'm truly excited to speak in English. Every new phrase feels like a small victory. I'm truly excited to speak in English. Every new phrase feels like a small victory. And finally, the last one for today, my favorite. English isn't just a language. It's the key that opens the door to my dreams. English isn't just a language. It's the key that opens the door to my dreams. English isn't just a language. It's the key that opens the door to my dreams. Amazing job! You've just completed 15 powerful sentences today, and even more importantly, you've officially finished all 5 days of your English speaking practice challenge. What a huge accomplishment! Take a deep breath, smile, and feel proud of yourself, because I am so proud of you. You showed up, you stayed consistent, and you finished strong. But remember, this is not the end, it's a brand new beginning. Keep this energy alive by practicing every day. Even just 5 minutes of speaking can make a big difference. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to sound like someone else. What matters is that it's you, showing up and growing a little more each day. And whenever it feels tough, remind yourself, progress doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen when you keep going. I'm right here beside you, cheering you on and supporting your dream until it becomes your reality. You can always revisit the earlier lessons. Go back to day 1, day 3, or any part you'd like to strengthen. Each time you repeat, you'll notice that you speak with more confidence, more rhythm, and more natural flow. If you're feeling excited and want to keep this journey going, tell me in the comments, would you like me to record more English speaking practice sessions for you? I love hearing your thoughts, and your feedback inspires me to create even more lessons that help you shine. Before we wrap up, here's something I want you to remember. Every time you speak, you're one step closer to fluency. Every single sentence you say with courage is a celebration of your growth. So until next time, keep smiling, keep practicing, and never forget that you can do this. I'm so happy and grateful to be part of your English journey. You're not alone in this, we are walking this path together. See you soon, my friend. Keep shining and keep speaking confidently, your voice matters, and your dreams are waiting for you.